Good morning, everyone. I am Priyanka Jangid from class 8 Tech with you all with lesson number 2 of science, microorganism, friend and foe. So what is microorganisms? Microorganisms are the organisms which we cannot see by our naked eyes. We use microscope to see microorganisms. They could be friend and foe. There are 5 types of it. I have made a video about it and you can get the link in the description. So coming to our topic, which is fermentation. It was discovered in 1857 by Louis Pasteur. He was a great scientist. So let's see this by an experiment. So coming to the experiment, I have taken 2 beakers, beaker A and beaker B. In this beaker, in first beaker A, I have put in sugar with water dissolved and oxygen is not able to go inside it. And in the second beaker, I have taken yeast plus sugar minus oxygen. So now we will see what will happen is that this balloon will get inflated, but this will be the same. So we will observe this after 5 to 6 hours. Now I am here after 5 to 6 hours. Now we can see what changes took place in between them. Here the balloon did not got inflated, but in this case the balloon got inflated. The air got inside the balloon. This was the difference between them, and now let's know how this happened. So I am back after 5 to 6 hours. This whole process was named as fermentation. So how this took place? In beaker A, we took sugar minus oxygen. Sugar was just dissolved in water. Because of this, nothing took place and the balloon was as it is. But in beaker B, we added sugar yeast. Yeast was added to sugar and dissolved in water. And the oxygen was not in contact with yeast. Because of this, yeast reproduced and the balloon inflated. The yeast is an example of microorganism, and after this process it gives out carbon dioxide, that is CO2, and plus alcohol and the inflated balloon. And this whole process is known as fermentation. It was discovered by Louis Pasteur in 1857. So thank you so much, and now let's come to our next topic, which is nitrogen cycle. So coming to our next topic, that is nitrogen cycle. It's a very complicated cycle which is biogeographical cycle. We know that oxygen is 78% of atmosphere. It's in 78% of gas in atmosphere. It is very useful for us as it gives us protein, vitamins, chlorophyll, nucleic acid and many more things. This is a cycle. Why? This will tell us why that 78% never increase or never decrease. This is because of this nitrogen cycle. Why this is happening? It will be known by this cycle. So here is nitrogen. Nitrogen in atmosphere. It converted into nitrates by bacteria Rhizobium. Then it converts into NH3. Then by denitrification, it again goes into the atmosphere. It's very complicated, all these things. So let's learn. It is easy. So certain bacteria and blue-green algae present in the soil, fixes nitrogen from the atmosphere and convert into compounds of nitrogen. It is done by Rhizobium. We can see here that the nitrogen in air is now on soil. Bacteria Rhizobium is converting into it is converting it into compounds of nitrogen, which is NH3. So now when plants and animals die, converting nitrogen in compound of nitrogen is called nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation, which is done by bacteria Rhizobium. Nitrification converts ammonia. The converted nitrogen by Rhizobium is known as ammonia. It converted ammonia to nitrates and then it converts into NH3. This is the process done by Rhizobium. Plants take nitrogen from soil and they use it as they use it to make protein. So the next process is the animals. Animals eat plants. Eat plants leaf where nitrogen is present. they eat them, and indirectly they are taking nitrogen. In their waste, in their excretion, there is nitrogenous gases, or some parts of nitrogen is remaining. Some parts are directly took again by plants, but sometimes with the method of denitrification, it again get converted into atmospheric nitrogen. This whole process is very complicated, but if we read it properly, we will get it. Over time, the waste decays get converted. It takes little bit time. So all these things are about nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen and oxygen and carbon dioxide are very precious for us, so please save them. And please stay at home and stay safe. Like my video and comment me, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, and stay safe, stay at home.